Welcome, friends. I am Teacher Neo, and in today's English learning video, I am going to make my breakfast out here on the grill. We are actually staying in our RV right now in Kansas. So, first thing is I open the lid. Okay, this is the lid. This is the full grill here. So, I open the lid. And right here you have the area where you can put your food, whatever you are cooking. Today I am going to cook hamburger patties. This part right here is a place to set your food down on. Let me get this to where you can actually kind of see it. Okay. So I set my food down here on the plate, whatever. And on the side here, I have my scraper. I use this. And so whenever I turn this on, I will end up scraping this. I don't need it just yet. And then I have my spatula to flip the burgers. And underneath, I have a propane tank. It's a small propane tank. So you can see that there is a propane tank, and then you can see that there is a wire thing, cord here that goes through and it goes up here, and then the propane will start up here to start a fire. So I'm going to get ready to start my grill. This is a pretty simple grill to start. So the first thing is I have these knobs here, and they're all turned off. So I usually turn on 3 of these. Inside here you have the area where the fire comes on. So I'm going to start with this one. My grill is a little old, so it takes it a little bit. So let's try it. So I turn the knob and I hear a click, and then the fire should start. So let's see. And there it is. If you can see, we have a flame, okay? A flame going on right there. It's blue with a little bit of yellow. And I'm going to do this one. Didn't start. Okay. It's going to take it a little bit. And that one's just kind of taking a little while. Let's try this one. And that one started up. Sometimes once it warms up a little bit, then the others will start. Let's try it again. There. Now it's started. I'm only using 3. I don't need the whole grill. I only needed half. I'm going to make 3 burger patties on here. So I'm going to close the lid. And right here, I'll be able to see the temperature for inside. And I'm going to let it warm up. I want to go get my burgers now. So I am in the RV now, and I'm going to get my burgers and get them ready. Stick my microphone right here. Hopefully it does not fall. I open up my freezer, and I'm pulling out the box of burgers that I have. So I get these at Walmart. So here in the States, we have Walmart. I know there's Walmart in other countries. Let me know in the comments below. Do you have a Walmart in your country? So I buy these burgers, and this is what they look like. So they're separated with a piece of paper. They're round in a circular shape. So a circle, and I got 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. So there's that. I'm going to put the rest of these back in the freezer. Open up the freezer, put it away, and close the freezer. I also need to get seasoning salt. And so right here I have my seasoning salt. I use organic seasoned salt, and the brand is Redmond Real Salt. I got this on Amazon. So, all right. So now I have everything ready. I'm going to go back out there and get the grill ready and place these on the grill. Okay, so back at the grill, I'm going to place these down on the grill here on the side. And let's get this showing right here. I can hear the fire sizzling in here, and so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and scrape it. I am scraping it to clean it, and that's basically what I'm doing. I'm cleaning the grill part off. That way it's all clean and ready for my new meat that I'm putting on. So now when I cook these hamburgers, they are pretty greasy, so it might bring up a fire, but it's okay. There's that. And now I am going to put seasoning salt on them. So I like the seasoning salt, so I put it quite a bit on there. This fire is hot. I can feel the heat rising. And trying to get the last burger seasoned up. Let's see, just a little bit more on those. Now I'm going to close the lid, let it warm up, and these will go in the trash. I will wait till I go inside. But again, I love to grill. I am not a big fan of cooking, but I do love to grill. And I usually will grill hamburgers, steak, or hot dogs on the grill. Let me know in the comments, do any of you love to grill? Or have you ever grilled? And what kind of meat do you like? My favorite meat is a steak, ribeye. I love ribeye, but I've been really enjoying these burgers. So I just kind of go back and forth between the two. And right now I'm kind of working on healing my body because I have a lot of different health issues that I've had throughout my whole life. And so I'm trying out this, and I've done this before, and I know it's healed my body, but I didn't stick with it. But I am doing carnivore diet. I know it's not for everybody, but for me, it works. And that is where I eat animal products. I know that's not a favorite for a lot of people, but I can't do, unfortunately, I cannot do fruits or vegetables because it kills my gut. I tried that and I was like, my stomach hurt every night. And with this, my stomach does not hurt, and my body digests the good vitamins out of the meat and everything. So, okay, I am going to get my spatula. I'm going to open the lid, and I'm going to flip the burgers. Now, you probably will see a flame come up or something because, again, the burgers are greasy. So, there's some flipping the burgers. Okay. And there is a flame that came up. So, oh, these look so good. I'm going to season this side of them as well. That way they're really seasoned up and taste really good. They taste really good with just salt as well. But check this out. Let's see here. Check out these burgers. They look so good. All right, I need to close it. That way they will cook. So, one part of carnivore is getting rid of sugars and processed foods. And I don't know how many of you are here in the United States. Let me know in the comments. Where are you watching from? Because here in the United States, the food that you buy at the stores usually have a lot of chemicals in them, and that includes processed sugar as well. So all you have to do is read the ingredients, and you won't be able to read them because, like, I don't know what half of the things are in the food because it should be simple. The ingredients should be simple. Whole food. This, I could say these are burgers. That's beef, and then I added seasoning on it. I mean, simple. So, but that's not the way the food is here in the United States. I don't know what it's like in the other countries. What is it like in the other countries? I am curious to know. So, I have heard that some people will come to the United States and gain weight, which is inflammation basically, but you will gain weight, and then the people will go back to their country and lose weight. People from the United States will go to a different country and lose weight eating the same amount of food as they would in the United States. How is that possible? Because of how the food is made, what's in the food. So here in the States, they have chemicals in the food. And so that's why eating this way for me is what's helping me. All right. I forgot to bring a plate out. So I am going to throw this away. I'm going to grab a plate and I'll be right back. I have my plate. It is ready. I'm going to set it down right here. My burgers are cooking. The flames are coming up. So I'm going to flip them one more time. Whew! That was a high flame. Woohoo! I'm going to turn off the grill now and just let my burgers kind of finish cooking. Real quick, like, if you have been enjoying my videos and the way I teach English and everything, be sure to go check out my membership. I just set up some memberships. I have like level A1, A2, level A, B1, B2. So I am working on making some videos to add on there just for my members, okay? But I'm going to put a poll on there and ask you all what you would like. That's just for the members, so be sure to go check it out. It is very cheap. You can go check it out, and I will definitely make some videos just for those members, what you are wanting. So I'm going to put a poll out, so be sure to go check that out if you're interested. Otherwise, stick around, make sure to subscribe, and you'll be able to continue watching some videos that I make as days go on and everything like that. I think my burgers are ready. I need to close this lid. So I turn it all the way around to where it's closed. And I'm going to open the lid. And I'm going to take my burgers off and put them on the table. They are very greasy, which is okay because that's good fat. I like it. Okay, my last burger going on the plate. Close the lid. It's all turned off. I'm going to put the spatula away, and then I have my burgers done and ready. And this is what I'm eating for my breakfast. I hesitate between making 2 or 3 because sometimes 2 is perfect for me, and 3, it's hard to eat all 3. So this way of eating actually makes me not so hungry. All the other foods, I want to eat and eat and eat and continue eating. This is my good, healthy way of eating. So, anyways, that is what this video was all about. Me making my burgers on the grill. My grill is turned off and I'm ready to eat. The burgers are done. So, again, be sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments any of the questions that I asked throughout this video, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.